Hello friends, I got a good request today from one of my subscribers. Her name is Sunflower Girl, and she wanted to learn the Lighthouse by the Hinsons, written by Ronnie Hinson and performed by the Hinsons. So after the video I will show you briefly how I play this song, the chords, and try to show you how I strum it. So anyway, thanks for the request, Mrs. Sunflower Girl, and I hope this does you. I'll try to get to the next song, the record book, in the next few days. There's a lighthouse on the hillside that overlooks the sea. When it's tossed, it sends out light that I might see. And the light that shines in darkness now will safely lead me home. If it wasn't for the lighthouse, then my ship would sail no more. And I thank God for the lighthouse. I owe my life to Him, for Jesus is the lighthouse, and from the rocks of sin He has shone His light around me, that I might clearly see. If it wasn't for the lighthouse, then where would this ship be? Now everybody that lives around us says tear that lighthouse down, for the big ships don't sail this way no more. No use of it standing round. But then my mind goes back to that stormy night, when just in time I saw the light. Yeah, the light from that old lighthouse standing on the hill. And I thank God for the lighthouse. I hold my life to Him. Jesus is the lighthouse, and from the rocks of sin He has shone His light around me, that I might clearly see. If it wasn't for the lighthouse, then where would the ship be? If it wasn't for the lighthouse, where would this ship be? Well, there you go, Sunflower Girl. I'm gonna try to show you the chords to this first. Thank you all for subscribing to me lately, by the way. I appreciate that. That helps. And if you guys have any song requests or any cover request, go ahead and give me a holler right down here in the comment section. So the chords to this, we're in the key of G, and I'm just using it without a capo. You can capo it wherever you want for your voice. You know, if you're a woman, you may want to capo way down here by the 4th fret, and then play the G, C, E minor, A minor, and D7. Those are the chords. There's a walk down, which I've showed in other videos, but I'll show it in this one anyway. I'll go ahead and start singing it, and maybe I'll find a walk down and show it to you there. There's a lighthouse. There's also a G7 which helps to transform to the chord of C, which is the 4 chord. There's a lighthouse on the hillside that overlooks the sea. And you go to D right there at the end of that sentence. When I'm tossed, it seems out of light that I might clearly see. So there's where you do the walk down. Say, when I'm tossed, D over F sharp. That's this chord right here. The G chord is like this, and so I take this finger off and bring this finger up to this note. So then go to E minor. You can use these 2 fingers or these 2 fingers right here. And then you go to A minor 7, or you can do A minor. I do A minor. A minor 7 is just without the ring finger. And then you go to D 7, or you can go to a D and do a sus. But anyway, when I'm tossed, it seems out of light that I might clearly see. I think I did it with a D7. And the light that shines in darkness, another G7 there, now will safely lead me on. When you're walking down to the A minor right here, and the light will safely, you do a G over B, and then to the A minor. So you only move this finger right here and take this one off. And so where am I at now? I safely lead me o'er. Okay. If it wasn't for the lighthouse, walking that down, where would my ship sail no more? Then you go to D, and everybody that lives around us says tear that lighthouse down. For the big ships don't sail this way no more. No use of it standing round. But then my mind goes back to that stormy night when just in time I saw the light. Yeah, the light from that old lighthouse standing on the hill. Okay, I guess that was the second verse, so maybe I should have done the chorus after the first verse, but anyway, it goes like this. And I thank God for the lighthouse. I owe my life to Him. Jesus is the lighthouse, and from the rocks of sin He has shown His light around me, that I might clearly see. There's a C minor right there that I might clearly see. And the way you play that is this actually goes up to the A string, but you can play the lower strings and bring it down or wherever, or all the way up. But mainly you cover the A string down with this finger, bar it, and then make a regular A minor chord way down here. So that's 2, 4, 4, and 3. Okay, let me do that again. Now, for Jesus is the lighthouse, from the rocks of sin He has shown His light around me, that I might clearly see. Go from C to C minor. Clearly see. If it wasn't for the lighthouse, walk down to A minor, where would this ship be? If it wasn't for the lighthouse, tell me where would this ship be? You can finish her any way you want to. Where would this ship be? There, where would this ship? I went to C there this time. A, G over B flat, A minor, D, and G. That's just the ending that I did. But anyway, there you go, Sunflower Girl. And whoever wanted to learn that song, I just typed it in, and one of my apps, I can't remember the name of the apps, but it's Guitar Pro or something like that, and it comes up and the chords come up pretty close to that. Might be a little bit different, but I'll write down the name of the app where I get that from. But anyway, I said I pay for an app and I get the chords, and some, you know, like another. Most people just use 4 chords in that song: G, C, D, and they might use a D7 in it, but then they use an A, D. But I do it a little bit different. But anyway, thank you for coming by and watching and learning this song. Sure appreciate you all for subscribing to me lately here, the likes and comments. Thanks a lot. Don't forget to request